YouTube. It's your boy Lionheart. And right now, so this him right here. It's that pedal commander. Just a little sheet. Thank you for purchase. I'm gonna box it because I ain't even really opened it yet at all. Okay, so they come with 2 zip ties, alcohol pad, Velcro, like I guess for the back of it. They got Harley Davidson out there driving this shit, but yo, it's down there been about 15 minutes, so I'm probably gonna give it like, I don't know, say what, probably like 5 more minutes, I don't know. Probably just put this on the back of here, put this on the back of here, and like try to mount everything up or something. But I'm gonna show y'all how to do it and where to put it in. Like, I might run it through, or I might leave it down there. I don't really know, but I'm finna see what's up. All right, so look, if you go up under here, let me focus. So this thing with this blue line on it, that's the what you pulling. I'm not gonna pull it yet because I'm still gonna wait like a couple more seconds, but that's what you pulling. And it's right up under here. Come up under here. You can run it through there. I got a base now I ran through here, but you can run it through there, pull it up through here. But I'll probably low-key just sit there right here or something. I don't really care to have it all the way up there. But yeah, it's like right up under it. Literally, you walk, come down here, bend down, look up. Right there, at least for mine is right there. Right open. Ain't nothing else. But yeah, let me get everything going. So boom, let me show y'all something. So look, boom. What you gotta do is make sure everything off. See that? This right here. Slide this one up out. Yeah, just pull it. Give it a little wiggle, slide it out. I suppose it should be like that, alright? So now the dead pedal. So now you take this. It's gonna be 2 of them. It's gonna be a red one. It's gonna be this one. You take the regular one, plug it into there. You take this one. Let me show y'all. So the regular one. Gonna go into here. Oh look. You press it till you hear a click. So that's the click right there. Then now this one, go where you took the original from. So you take this one, right here, put it on top of there. Just like that, till you hear a click. So now everything should be hooked up with it. So I'm gonna take this. Let me run it real quick. Right now I'm wiping down the area because I got it. Take that, I'm gonna set that ball about right there. So wipe the area. I'm gonna put this vinyl on there. These sticky shits, and then I'm gonna show you. Alright, so this how I got mine hooked up on some cool shit. I don't think it's gonna get in my way too much because I'm gonna be sitting like some cool shit. But let me push everything back up under here. Make sure none of my lines blocking nothing important. Like nothing never happened. But let me get it started and see how it's looking. Get the app going and everything. Alright, so you probably gonna have to turn your phone to see this, but basically with the pedal commander, it's like, look, you go in here and you can control everything from the app. So you got the eco mode. That hoe is terrible, but you can put it like eco 4 though, that's the thing, and make it like get a little more response. The city mode, cool, same thing. You could transfer data. You could like get new data. Sport, not transfer, but like retrieve new data. Sport Plus, Sport Plus with on 4 mode, crazy. And it's just an app overview, like what they want to do for the future, I guess. Then they got to contact us and just like your personal shit. But yeah, like it's cool. It's cool. Like the app is real. People were saying before the app used to be way more responsive. Cause I ain't gonna lie, right now it's kind of like shitty. But I don't know. I ain't had it before. But yeah, like just shit. That's all with the app really. They got a few more things like devices, new device, brightness, control lock, and all that really is self-explanatory. To be honest, but yo.